Welcome to MVC Concept Chemistry. Dear students, after watching this full video, you will be able to name alkanes according to IUPAC system of nomenclature and also derive their structures from the given names. Students, through my videos, I am explaining NCERT textbook clearly with more examples. NCERT exercise problems also I am covering in these classes, students. Watch full videos to get the more clarity on the concepts. And students, if you need any particular topics, please mention in comment box. Based on the topics, I will prepare videos. Students, this class I'm starting with yesterday DPP questions. Just before going to start this class, once we will recall the rules for alkanes. Students, rule number 1, select the longest carbon chain. While you selecting the longest carbon chain, more number of branched carbons should include in the carbon chain. If branched carbons, we can call it as a substituents also, students. More number of substituents should include in the carbon chain. Next, rule number 2, these branched carbons or substituents should get the lowest possible number. Rule number 3, substituent or branched carbon chain positions also we should mention in while you are writing the name, students. And branched carbons or substituents are the prefixes that we should write before the root word, students. Next, if more than, fourth rule, students, more than one similar substituents are there, numerical prefixes, di, tri, tetra, like that numerical prefixes we will use, students. Next, rule number 5, students, if two substituents are getting equal positions, equal priorities while we are selecting the longest carbon chain, that cases should follow the alphabetical order, students. These are the rules clearly yesterday I explained with more examples. Now we are continuing concept with more examples, students. Now here, students, they given this compound, first compound. Now these are the bond line structural representation, students. This meaning carbon 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there here, students. Here second carbon atom attached with only one line is there, that is the methyl group, students. Now here second position 2 methyl groups are there. We selected longest carbon chain this side or this side, both the sides same only, students. Now name for this compound, second position 2 methyl groups are there. That's why 2, 2 dash di means 2 times repeated means numerical prefixes di, students, di. Methyl groups repeated, students, di, methyl, methyl. Root word is the prop, students. 3 carbon atoms are there. Root word is prop, students. Here between carbon single bonds are there. Primary suffix ane, primary suffix n, students. Now this compound, students, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there, students. This side if you go, substituent is getting the lowest possible number, students. This side substituent will get the more possible number. That is wrong way of selecting the carbon chain. That's why I am giving like this, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, students. Now name for this compound 2-methyl. 2-methyl. Only one substituent is there, students. 2-methyl. Next root word but is the root word ane. An is the primary suffix, students. Next third compound 1, 2, 3, 4, students. Now here second position and third position methyl groups are there. This side or this side, both the sides same only, students. Now here name for this compound 2, 3 dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. Dimethyl. Root word but, students. Primary suffix en. Between carbon single bonds are there. Next here, students, here substituents are there. These directions substituents are getting the lowest possible number. Now here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, students. Second position 2 methyl groups are there. So now 2, 2 dimethyl. Root word but, students. Primary suffix ane. This compound, this side or this side, both the side you can give the numbering, students. Now if you give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, students. Now you observe here second position and fourth position methyl groups are there. Then the compound name 2,4 dash dimethyl. Root word is the pent students, primary suffix ANE. Please note down students. This video more problems we will solve students based on this concept. Please note down. Next we will solve this problem students. Now here numbering students, this side substituents are getting less number, lowest possible number students. 1 2 3 4 5 students. Now compound name 2-methyl, root word pent, primary suffix ANE. Next students, here both the sides same only students. In this side we can give the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 students. Now here third position methyl group is there students, 3-methyl, pent is the root word, ANE is the primary suffix. 3-methyl pentane is the compound name. Now here student, this direction if you go, substituents are getting the lowest possible number, 2 3 4 5 students. Now here compound name 2,3 dimethyl pentane. Pentane is the compound name students. Next here both the sides same students, then we can give the numbering both the side, any side, 1 2 3 4 5. Now here third position 2 ethyl groups are there students. Compound name 3,3 diethyl, root word pent, primary suffix ANE, pentane. Next this compound name students, both the sides same students, we can give any direction, 1 2 3 4 5 students. Now here second position, third position, fourth position methyl groups are there students. Trimethyl, root word students, 5 carbon atoms are there in the parent carbon chain, pent, primary suffix AN. Here pent students, pentane, pentane. Next here students, 1, this side both the sides same students, here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there students. 2 and 3 positions methyl groups are there. 3,4 dimethyl hex. Here students we should not give a gap between substituents and root word students. Hex is the root word, ANE is the primary suffix. 3,4 third position, fourth position methyl groups are there. 3,4 dimethyl hexane is the compound name students. Please note down. Next solve this problem students. So now here substituent should get the lowest possible number. It is the carbon students, 1 2 3. First position chlorine is there students, root word 3 carbon atoms are there, probe students, 1 chloro, probe is the root word, primary suffix ANE, Next one students, here 1 2 3, second position chlorine is there, 2 chloro, root word probe, primary suffix ANE. Next students, here we should give the numbering this side because substituent should get the lowest possible number now. That's why 1 2 3 4. Now students, while you writing the name alphabetical order we should follow. Chlorine is there, bromine is there, B is the first word. That's why 2 bromo 2 bromo, 1 chloro, 1 chloro. Students, root word but is the 4 carbons are there. But, ANE is the compound name. Next, here students, chlorine, bromine both attached to the same carbon. Numbering both the side same only, 1, 2, 3. Now here first alphabetical order B, next C. Next 2 bromo, 2 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 bromo, 2 chloro. Prop is the root word. ANE is the primary suffix. Next, here substituent should get the lowest possible number. This side we will give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here students, 2, 4 dibromo, dibromo. Next, third position chlorine is there students. 3 chloro, 3 chloro. Hex is the root word students. ANE is the primary suffix. Hex is the root word, ANE is the primary suffix. Next, this side. Now students, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Chlorine position is same. That's why this side if you go methyl group also getting the lowest possible number, no? That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here third position chlorine is there, second position methyl is there. C and M like that. Now here compound name students, 3 chloro, sorry students, 3 chloro, 3 chloro, 2 methyl, 2 methyl. Root word pent students. Primary suffix ANE. 2 chloro, 3 chloro, 2 methyl pentane is the compound name students. Next, here students, here numbering we should give from this side. Substituent getting the lowest possible number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. Now compound name students alphabetical order. 2 bromo, 3 chloro, 3 chloro. Pent is the root word. ANE is the primary suffix students. Next, here 1 carbon atom attached with 3 chlorine students. That's why 1, 1, we can write, or directly trichloromethane also we can write students. First positions no directly if you write it also correct only students. Next, this one also 1, 1, 1 tetrachloromethane also we can write, or tetrachloromethane, or 1, 1 tetrachloromethane also correct only students. So please note down students. Now solve this question students. Yesterday 5th rule students, even substituents are tie in numbering, follow the alphabetical order. Now bromine is there, here chlorine is there, first alphabet bromine, this direction we are giving the numbering and write the name. 1 bromo, 2 chloro, eth is the root word. ANE is the primary suffix. Next, here students, here also same like that students, equal priorities. But students, according to rule number 2, substituent should get the lowest possible number. Suppose if you give the numbering like this 1, 2, here 2 substituents are there students on the same carbon. Now the second position means 1 plus 2 plus 2, lowest possible number 5. If you go this direction students, 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4. Okay, lowest possible number. Which side substituents are getting the lowest possible number, that side we should select the longest carbon chain. That's why now here we should give the priority here. Why we are giving priority here, students? Substituents should get the lowest possible number. That's why we are giving numbering this side. Alphabetical order, only chlorine, bromine is there. Alphabetical order we are following. More than is there, lowest possible number, we should give the priority. Now here, compound name, students. While you writing the name, alphabetical order only we will follow, students. While giving the number only, lowest possible number. Writing the name, common. Alphabetical order only we will follow. Now here, compound name, students. 2-bromo, 1,1 dichloro, 1,1 dichloro. Eth is the root word, students. ANE is the primary suffix. Dichloroethane. Next, here, students, 1, 2, lowest possible number. Now here, students, 1-bromo, 1,2 dichloro, 1,2 dichloro. Eth is the root word. ANE is the primary suffix. Ethane is the compound name. Next, here, students, 3 chlorine atoms are there, students. That's why this side we should give the numbering, students. 1, 1. Previous example, 1 carbon atom attached with 3 chlorines. 1 carbon attached with 4 chlorines means tetra, like that I told, students. Now here 2 carbon atoms are there. We can give the numbering like this. And 1, 1, trichloro. Root word eth is the root word, students. ANE is the primary suffix. ANE is the primary suffix. Next, here, students, this side more substituents are there. 1, 1, 2 trichloro. Eth, ANE is the primary suffix. Next, this side we are getting the lowest possible number, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth position, ethyl group is there, students. 4 ethyl, root word oct, ANE is the primary suffix. Now, this compound, students, how to write? We should select the longest carbon chain, students. This direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is coming means it is a complete complex. That all also it is not a longest carbon chain. Okay, so students, this E direction you come, or this direction you go. We are getting the longest carbon chain now. So like that, we should select the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or opposite also we can go, students. Both the sides same, equal priorities are there. Now, fourth position and third and fourth positions ethyl groups are there, students. That's why 3, 4 diethyl root word, students. Hex, ANE is the primary suffix. Hexane is the compound name, students. Students, after numbering we should give the dash, students. This is the compound name, students. Please note down. Students, now here NCERT exercise problem, students. In NCERT exercise problems, one question they asked like this, students. Which of the following represents the correct IUPAC name for the compounds? Students, they given here 2 names. What is the correct name for the given compound? Based on the rules for alkanes, we should identify which is the correct name for the compound. Now, students, first we should write the structure for this compound. How to write the structure? Students, what is the root word here? Pent means how many carbons? 5 carbons, right? 5 carbons. Next, 2, 2 dimethyl they mentioned. Means either this side or this side 2 carbon atoms, right? 2, 2. Now here, students, it is 2, 2 dimethyl pentane is the structure. Here what they given? 2-dimethyl. 2-dimethyl means if you give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-dimethyl we can't write it now, students. Second carbon attached with 2-methyl group means we should write 2, 2. It's not like 2-dimethyl. Previous we solved problems. So that is the correct structure, students. Now the remaining we can fill with hydrogen. CH3, CH3. Here carbon all 4 bonds filled, students. CH2. Here CH2, CH3. Like this we can write the structure for the given compound. It is the 2-2-dimethyl. It is the correct. It is the wrong representation, students. 2-dimethyl not possible. So one carbon attached with 2-methyl group means 2 times that number we should write. Next, here students, 2,5,7 trimethyl octane 2,4,7 students. 2,4,7 trimethyl octane 2,5,7 trimethyl octane. Which is the correct number, the correct structure they are asking, students. Students, here only you can say lowest possible number, we should give the numbering, no? So now 2,4,7 is there, 2,5,7 is there. Which is the lowest possible number? This is getting the lowest possible number, no? So this is the correct structure. Now we will write the structure for this compound, students. What is the root word here, students? Oct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oct is the root word, students. Now here second position, one numbering you give, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons are there. Fourth position and seventh position. So now 2,4,7 2 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to 13, students. The 2 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 14, students. So this direction 13 we are getting. This direction if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, if you go, we are getting the 2, 5, 7, students, this direction. So but that is getting the highest possible number. The direction we should not select the carbon chain. This direction we can select the carbon chain. Now this is the structure for this compound, students. The remaining we can fill with hydrogen. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2. Now here CH, CH3, CH3, like this we can write, students. Okay, next. This one, students. 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane. Students, alphabetical order we should follow, students, while giving the numbering, students. First, pent means how many carbons? 5 carbons, students. 5 carbons. 2-chloro. Here chlorine is there. Here methyl group is there. Both are there in the equal priorities. If you go this side, chlorine is getting the lowest possible number. This side, methyl group is getting the second position. Both are tying in the numbering. Fifth rule, students. Alphabetical order we should follow, no? So which direction alphabetical? C is coming first, then M. Then what is the numbering? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now compound name, students. 2-chloro. This is correct, students. This is wrong. Okay, here this is correct. This is wrong. Alphabetical order we are giving the numbering, students. And name also we should write in alphabetical order. Fifth rule, students, that one. Please note down. Students, till now in this class more problems on alkanes we completed, students. In alkanes, one more complex compounds nomenclature is there that I will explain in next class. Please watch full video, subscribe this channel, like and share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you.